Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. Here in front of you is a 2005 Honda Pilot, and the air conditioning is not working. It's working in the back, but it's blowing hot air in the front. I suspect that the Blend Door Actuator motor is going bad. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is turn the car on first. Alright, then we're going to, turn on the AC. Alright, so right now the AC is on. We got it on cold. And I'm going to turn it all the way up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see if the air is actually blowing hot. Let's give it a second, kind of get warmed up. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to test the actual air. Like I said, it is on low and it's turned all the way to cold. And what we're going to do is just test it. So it is 108 Fahrenheit. All right. So we're going to check the back, see how the back's doing. Let's see. See that? So the back is blowing 65. Okay. And the front is doing 108. So we're going to change out the Blend Door Actuator motor and see if that fixes the problem. All right, so the first thing you're going to have to do is go on the passenger side, and you're going to have to pull out this panel here. You can just grab this panel and pull it out. Stick your hand up under the bottom, kind of work your way. Just like that. You got one more down here in the corner. All right, so technically that's how the clips look. They're just gonna pop out. But that one back there, I'm gonna have to use a pry tool to get it out. So let's see. I can see it. It's like right there. And there you go. All right, so we got the side panel off. Put that up there. And let's see. The motor is right here. This is the motor. All right. Let's see. So it has 4 Phillip head screws holding it on, 2 right there, and then, well, technically it's just 3. I thought 1 would be right there, but so it's 1, 2, 3. The first thing you're gonna do is pull out this electrical connection. You just push up on it, pull it out like that, and then if you look back here, you can see there is a clip. See this rod right here? There's a clip on that rod, right? So I can get it right there. You have to pull that clip off. It's very easy. You just push it to the side and the clip comes off. We pulled the clip out off the rod, and then we're just going to take out these 3 Phillip heads. All right, so you need a small Phillips head to take those off, and I don't have one right now. So I'm going to use this 7 to take it loose. Hopefully I can reach it. Here we go. So that's 1. We got one back here. And then we got the one in the back right there. Let's see if I can get it. And there you go. All right. So this right here is the motor. And we have a new motor here. Right here. Just like that. So it's the same motor. And I have a link in the description on where you can get this motor at. Like I said, this is a 2005 Honda Pilot. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back up in there. And then this part's going to go out like that. And this is going to go in that hole that is right beside that clip. Let's see. So the clip, let's see. The clip is right here. The clip's right there. And it's going to go inside that hole right there. All right. That black clip, this part right here is going to go in there. All right. So let's get it put in. So we got the new one in. As you can see, that's like brand new. And we got the clip back where it's supposed to go. And we put the, well, we got the rod back where it's supposed to go when we put the clip on. All right, that's it. And all we have to do is make the connection. So, let's see. Like that. And let's see if it's working. All right, guys, so we're back in the car. It is on low. The AC is on. And we're going to check it again. Let's see now. Since we put the actuator in, let's see what it does. There it goes. See that? 64. And it's still dropping. 63. 62. 59. All right. So basically, that's all that was wrong. The Blend Door Actuator motor was malfunctioning. That's all it is, guys. And you just got to make sure that you snap the side panel back on. All right. This is J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.